Alright, here's the latest project. I'm gonna go out here in the sun for a moment. And this thing was a playhouse. When we bought this place about 3 months ago, it was more dilapidated, and it was a puke white and yellow, and has wood rot from water and termites. But you know, I wanted to be able to do something with the backyard by putting grass in. Got these large trees, but got a nice little lemon tree right there. But this thing was pretty shabby looking. So I decided to start repainting it and try to fix some of the problems with it. And the floors, we're gonna take a look. I'm doing some paint. You can see the paint's very shoddy, but that's pretty much the first coats that needs to be redone. And I decided to go with the black and the gray and the purple, give it a kind of a weird Gothic look. But sometime before that, you see some wood glue there, that we found that this was badly rotted out. So the only thing you can do really is to keep it attached. See right here, that's barely hanging. Part of that floor was chewed away. You can tell by this. Look, it's quite a bit. And it looks like, yeah, it's rotted all the way into the concrete. So I'm gonna go and get all that out. And there's really not much you can do with that wood other than maybe put some vinyl on it or some sort of lacquer. You can keep that, or I can just saw it off. But you know, I decided to do the creepy looking thing for it. See, look at this. There's some spots. It's really in bad shape, and the spider webs and cobwebs keep coming back. So we started putting walls up here, and place the walls in it. I don't know what I was gonna do with this thing. See, there's more cobwebs. I just cleaned those cobwebs like a week ago, and look at that. It's already grown back. There's that. And after I cleaned out this part there, I put a floor on it, a floor patch. So we'll be putting some more floor patches in there. See? Right here. Basically the idea is to keep it standing as long as possible. And some parts of it's actually pretty solid. But from what I was told, TJ, the neighbor across the street, he says you can see all the paints and screw guns and screws. TJ tells me that this thing was built when the owner's son was very young, and the daughter. And he said this thing's about maybe 30 years old. Yeah, I put that up. That's pretty creepy, huh? Is about 30, 35, maybe 40 years ago. Here's the other patch on the other wall I started doing. And yeah, this needs to be dug out. Looks like it's I don't know what that is. I might have to dig that out too. Here's the back side. The back side's actually pretty primo. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. The original settling beam is actually off. That's weird. So I decided maybe put a couple $100 of paint on it. And, you know, we're not going to use it for anything, but I just got tired of looking out the back porch and seeing it in that had that original puke yellow and white. So we kind of goth it out a little bit, you know. And, you know, keep it from falling over, because you know it does help shade a little bit. And there's my ladder. So I had to get up on top. And garbage just needs to be cleaned up. That lemon tree is real cool. So I gotta rake all that up. Yeah, it's gonna need several coats of paint. And more glue, more wood gluing, and then more screws, and maybe a couple of wedges jammed in there. But anyway, I wanted to show this and put it on YouTube, and you know, if we ever have any young kids come over, they can play monsters or something in this thing. You know, hopefully cops won't kick down the door and arrest me and then think I'm some sort of devil worshiper. So here you go, Hua.